It's Barbiegan Hey Dins as well. I know you guys won't, the Dins won't care about this one, but this is like my October favorites and my October what's in my bag. I want to show you guys what's in my bag because I love this new bag I just got. It's Michael Kors. It's like the bucket style. It's like the big huge tote. You can get it at Macy's or Dillard's. It's like $3.75, but it's like the brown. It's for fall. Okay, what's in my bag? Ugh. Okay, this is so cute. It's like my new makeup bag. I have like 7 or 8 of these, so yeah, I'm gonna talk fast so this video won't be long and boring to you guys. But like in my makeup bag, like I have like 6 different like freaking mascaras, but I use like the L'Oreal first to like get the like mascara applied on, and then I have like this one by Rimmel. True Blend is like a cheaper, that's just like when I can't find my other makeup. I got this from Stila. It's $48. You guys can get it from that new store, Ulta. It's like only 48 bucks. I use liquid eyeliner because it like rubs on better, and it's pretty good. It's only 10 bucks at Walmart. I like my blush brush in here. Oh my god, I have like 5 or 6 different styles of these lipsticks. No joke. I love this fucking color. It's like amazing. It's like a, I don't know, it's like a nude color. But then I have got this makeup bag. I got this one. It's really cute. From Bath and Body Works. It wasn't too bad of a price, but this was so cute because it's like, let's be honest, it's like rainbow, so I thought that was awesome. This is for like my pink days when I want to like think pink and look cute. It's like a really cute style. It's like $8.60. It's called Pink Pop by Maybelline. I love Maybelline. They're like a close second to MAC or whatever. Oh, and I didn't show you guys my MAC. This is like $38 for like the concealer, like the blush on top. This is like a strawberry type of color. I don't know the color, like all rubbed off, but I'm sure it's Maybelline. No, I think that's CoverGirl. But I told you, like I have like the same one of these ones. This is $300. It has sort of like a bronze for when I wear my browns and my golds. It's like really cute, like rubs on really cute. I don't know, but you guys probably can't even see that. I don't know, like. And here, another one of those colors. A clip for when like I want to freaking tie my hair up. This is the cutest lipstick ever. I got it from freaking Kmart. It was only like 10 bucks, but it's like the cutest lip gloss in the world. Look how cool. It's like squirting out and I don't want to have to use it, but it's like super pink. I just got like me and all my friends like these matching lighters. Well, like I only have like 3 friends, so, and this one's Cheetah. They're so fucking cute. They were $4. $12 in lighters. Who does that? More lighters. People are like, why do you use lighters and you don't smoke? This is like my MAC eyeshadow. Is really cute because I only wear black. Freaking Lollipop I licked on earlier. What else is in my bag? This is like just for cards or whatever. I have so many different types of pills. Let's see what pills. Used tissue. For my knee surgery. Promethazine. Oh god. Don't hit me up for the deets. Those are Percocets. Here's my wallet. Let's see how much money I don't have much money in here. Probably like, oh, 107 bucks. 107 bucks. So like I just went to the bank today, but yeah. I have this really cute Barbie card. It's so cute. Just like my one card, my medical cards. Nothing fun. My wallet, pretty much. It's just fucking wallet. A comb. It's for my sister. I don't really use combs. My friend got me these because I just had knee surgery. So yeah, Snickers. Girl's best friend. Mace for the bitches who wants to try me. Yeah, I mace bitches. Ask my ex-girlfriend. This was so cute. It's like for your tweezers, toenail clippers, and it's like a high heel shoe, and it's Cheetah. How fucking cute is that, right? Oh, I had used these headphones. I just got them. They're Hello Kitty. Look how cute. I got them for really cheap. They wasn't so bad. My mom gave me these because of course she's a mom, but it's like first aid kit. It's like marbles or something. I don't know. I don't even know what a marble is. And it has like really cute band-aids. Oh my god, look at this band-aid. Barbie band-aid. Love it. Loves it, bitch. But yeah, I got like stuff for my hookah. My like liquid hookah. Some cards just in case somebody wants to play spades or play black and red. Let's get drunk as a skunk and forget which car we drove. Look how cute. I got this from Bath and Body Works. It was only $14 and it freaking lights up like when you click it. Look how cute. It's so cute. It's like a fake camera, but it's for my hand sanitizer. It's so cute. And it even shutters like it's gonna take a picture. Like trash. I have change on the bottom of my purse. Ink pen if I need to sign my name on a dotted line. Oh my god, I just got this today. It's like to hold my wallet. I mean my cards. It's so cute. And I'm probably gonna lose it, but it's super cute. I just got it today. More medicine. An old Go-Gurt that I ate from My friend's kid. Some freaking documents in here. I don't know, I keep a lot of shit in my bag. Oh, from my surgery. I just got surgery done. Oh my god, these are so cute and convenient. I was homeless for like 6 months and I collected like probably 100 of these, and it's like little lotions, and they're from Bath & Body Works, and they were free, and they are able to be portable, so I can just take them everywhere. They come in clutch when I don't have any lotion. Here's my freaking hookah charger. Oh, I was looking for this. My freaking eyeshadow brush. Awesome. More pins, lipstick, and eye brush comb. Pretty much just like trash all at the bottom of here. A little Walmart card. If you get these cards, they're only they give you like 10 cents off. Winter Circle. This is for my sister. I do not wear sneakers, but hey, they work. Oh, lollipop. I'm probably not gonna eat blueberry. I love Dum Dums. They're so cool. Oh, and weird, but I have BBs in here just in case a fucking cat or a squirrel or something tries to like kill me. I'm gonna shoot them to death with a BB gun. Like caps to lipstick. Oh, I went to the movies. Let's see what movie I went to go see. So long ago, I don't even know. The like paint were all rubbed off on it. But I know you guys are probably bored of what's here, what's in my purse. I'll probably go through another tutorial what's in my purse. But that is the purse. It's the bucket style. It's Michael Kors. It's so cute. You can get your own for $375 at probably Dillard's, Macy's, or online. And thank you guys again for tuning in. I gotta put all this stuff back in my purse. So love you guys. Love you dolls.